Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video down at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume with all the headlines and such. Unfortunately, a very big pullback. Now, is the entire chart destroyed? I'm not going to take it that far, but I mean, I realize I state the obvious in stating that, yeah, from where it was here at its highs to where it ultimately pulled back to, that was a pretty rough move. But like I said, I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed because technically speaking, and I would definitely consider this a very, very important level of support going into next week. But that's this area right here at $11.25. Now, why is $11.25 so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $11.25 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Or said another way, that would imply that the price made an explosive move to the upside, only to then go right back to where it was, which, in some, terminology, people just call that a pump and dump. So, and again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why in my opinion, at least that 11.25 mark is such an important area. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, in the event the price tries to bounce itself back upwards, first key area of resistance to watch any sort of attempted bounce, right there at $12.75. And actually, I'm just going to leave it at that because I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can even get up to $12.75, let alone break through it. And then, yeah, if the price can get up through there, I'm sure I would be back at that point to get some sort of further update. But as of right now, the two primary technical levels to watch going into next week, $11.25 as support, and then $12.75 as resistance. So it'll be very interesting to see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.